Hello everyone, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is pre-algebra class lecture 29. Adding and subtracting of like radicals. Like radicals, first we want to define our like radicals. What is like radicals? Then we will explain the process, the method of adding and subtracting of like radicals. Like radicals are radicals that have the same indices and radicands. Example, 3 multiplied by fifth root of x squared and minus 1 over 2 into fifth root of x squared. Here these two radicals are like radicals because radicands, here we have x squared, here also we have x squared. Here we have fifth root. The index of this root is 5, and here also is 5. The index and the radicands are same, then they are like radicals. We do not consider the coefficient. If they are different, no problem. For adding and subtracting of like radicals, we use the following rule. Here a multiplied by n root of x plus minus b into n root of x plus minus c into n root of x. It is equal to a plus minus b plus minus c. We adding the coefficient. Adding and subtracting the coefficient, then we write one radical. We want to solve some question. Here we have 3 questions we want to solve. First one, 3 multiplied by square root of 5 minus 7 multiplied by square root of 5 plus 3 multiplied by square root of 5. It is equal to 3 minus 7 plus 3. If we add and subtract these numbers, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 minus 7, it is equal to minus square root of 5. Here 2 multiplied by square root of 15 minus 3 into square root of 200 plus 7 multiplied by square root of 72. First, we want to simplify these roots. We get this like radicals, then we can add and subtract. Here 2 multiplied by 25, we can write 25 multiplied by 2 minus 3 into 200, we can write 100 multiplied by 2 plus 7 into square root of 36 multiplied by 2. 72, we factorize 72 by 36 into 2. It is equal to 2 multiplied by, we separated these roots, square root of 25 into square root of 2 minus 3 into square root of 100 into square root of 2 plus 7 into square root of 36 into square root of 2. It is equal to 2 multiplied by square root of 5 is 25 is 5 into square root of 2 minus 3 into square root of 100 is 10 into square root of 2 plus 7 into square root of 6, square root of 36 is 6 into square root of 2. It is equal to 2 multiplied by 5, 10, 10 is square root of 2 minus 3 into square root of 2 plus 7 multiplied by 6, 42 into square root of 2. It is equal to 10 minus 13 plus 42. Here we have the coefficient 10, here we have minus 30, here we have 42. Then we add and subtract this, we get 22 into square root of 2. Next one, third one, question 3, 5 multiplied by square root of 27 minus 3 into square root of 300 plus 5 into square root of 75. Then we use these rules and simplify this expression. 5 into square root of 9 into 3. If we multiply, then we get 27. Same way, and similarly we factorize 300 by 3 into 3 plus 5 into 25 multiplied by 3. Then we get 5 into square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 3 minus 3 into square root of 300 is 10 into square root of 3 plus 5 into square root of 25 is 5 into square root of 3. It is equal to 5 multiplied by 3, 15 into square root of 3 minus 3 multiplied by 10, we get 30. into square root of 3 plus 5 multiplied by 5, 25 into square root of 3. Then we get similar radicals. Here all of them are same. Like radicals, then we add and subtract their coefficient. 15 minus 30 plus 25 into square root of 3. 15 minus 30 minus 15 plus 25, it is equal to 10 square root of 3. It was the class of 25, which we explained about adding and subtracting of like radicals. Thank you.